যেটা দেখাবো খুব ইন্টারেস্টিং ব্যাপার, এটা হচ্ছে ফাইল আপলোড ইন পিএইচপি। তো এর কতগুলো ইম্পর্টেন্ট নোট জেনে রাখতে হবে। প্রথমে ম্যাগনিফায়ার ফার্স্ট, না ম্যাগনিফায়ারটা বলে একটু প্রমিনেন্ট হয়, ঠিক আছে। পিএইচপি ফাইল আপলোড, জেনারেলি পিএইচপিতে ফাইল আপলোডের অ্যাপ্লিকেশন হচ্ছে তিনটে, দুটো আমি দেখাবো, 3 নম্বরটা বাড়ির কাছে থাকবে, ঠিক আছে। একটা হচ্ছে ফটো আপলোড, তুমি একটা ফটো আপলোড করতে পারো। সেকেন্ডলি তুমি যেটা করতে পারো সেটা হচ্ছে ভিডিও আপলোড। থার্ড যেটা হচ্ছে সেটা খুব চলে সিভি আপলোড। ফটো ভিডিও আপলোড আমি দেখিয়ে দেবো, সিভি আপলোড তোমাদের কাজ, ডিপেন্ড অন photo and video upload. Okay, the uploading file size limitation for PHP is 2 MB. By default, maximum file size allocation for PHP is 2 MB. 2 MB is maximum upload korte deয় na, but we can customize the limitation of the file upload, যেটা আমি দেখাবো কিভাবে ফাইল আপলোড লিমিটেশনটাকে আমরা চেঞ্জ করতে পারি। ওকে, in case of uploading the file in PHP, we need to write enctype equals to multipart-formdata in the form tag. Yes, যদি আমাকে ফাইল আপলোড করতে হয় তাহলে আমাকে ফর্ম ট্যাগের মধ্যে নেম, মেথড, অ্যাকশনের পাশাপাশি আরেকটা জিনিসও রাখতে হয়, সেটা হচ্ছে enctype multipart/formdata। এটার মানে কি? এটার মানে হচ্ছে the binary contents of the file will go to the server in hidden procedure. Hidden way তে ফাইলের পুরো বাইনারি কন্টেন্টটা আপলোড হবে সার্ভারে। তুই যদি না লেখো শুধু ফাইলের নামটা যাবে সার্ভারে, ফাইলটা যাবে না। আমার দরকার পুরো ফাইলটাকে সার্ভারে বানানো, তার জন্য আমাকে এই জিনিসটা এখানে লিখতে হবে। কথাটা বোঝা গেল? সো নাও লেটস ক্রিয়েট আ ফাইল আপলোড।
একটা শর্টকাট কি হবে, খালি চলে আসবে,
হ্যাঁ কন্টেন্টটার ভিতরে যাবে।
আচ্ছা এইটা একটু লাইসেন্সটা একটু করে দিও, এটা 10 দিন মতো বাকি আছে
তোর করে দিলাম তো
প্যাক থেকে নিয়ে এসো না।
তোরটা দেখাচ্ছে না
না না, তোরটা আগে আমারটা
PHP
ওটা কিছুই দেখাচ্ছে।
তোমার তাহলে ক্র্যাকটা হয়েছে।
আমি তো করে
Welcome guest. Now body, here we are going to write a label and slash label.
আচ্ছা লেভেলটা
একটা ক্যাপশন দেওয়ার জন্য upload image, then after that here to upload the file we need to write input type file, then we need to write name file, we need to write id as file, as because we are uploading the image, so we are writing accept image/star. That means it will only accept images, any kind of images. Okay, if you want to specifically try to upload JPG images, then you should need to write JPEG dot, or if you want to upload the PNG images you should write PNG. No, dot but star actually,
star মানে হচ্ছে all
extension of image type. Now on the next thing we input type, submit, value, submit. We need to provide a name. Give it as the name as upload/close, and the entire name will be submitted নাম একই পেজে যেহেতু আমি করতে চাইছি এই জন্য সাবমিট একটা নাম দিতে হবে, ঠিক আছে, যাতে যখন সার্ভার পোস্ট করবে তখন সার্ভারে আপলোডের নামে একটা ভেরিয়েবল যাবে। So name we are give it as frm, we give it as method, definitely it will be post, and enctype that will be multi/formdata, and here we are going to close it /form. So that's it, the presentation is created. Click on save all. We are going to save onto the C drive, then go to the WAMP www. Here we need to create a new folder, and today is 30/09/2015, and here we are going to save it. We need to set it as a startup page, so that's why index.php. Now we need to test it out. Before that we need to run the WAMP server. So WAMP server, enter, click yes. It will be starting up. The moment it will be starting up, we are opening up the Google Chrome. Here we need to write localhost/enter. জ্যামটা না ওরালে কম কাজ করবে না, ওকে।
তো তাহলে তো জ্যামটা কাজ
যেখানে দুটো সার্ভার রাখা যায় না,
রাখা যাবে, কিন্তু এখানে গিয়ে তোমার কোডটা চেঞ্জ করতে হবে। গো টু অ্যাপাচে, গো টু HTTP configuration file. Here you need to write Ctrl A, LISTEN, listen, enter. This is it. Here it is having listen to 80 port, where XAMPP is also listening. XAMPP Apache server is also on the 80 port. Your WAMP Apache server is also on the 80 port. That's why the problem. So 84, we give it as it is 84, and we give it as it is 84. Now go to file, close. This may fix your problem. If it is not, then you need to reinstall by uninstalling it.
এটাই হচ্ছে না যে জ্যাম্প নেই, সবুজ হচ্ছেই না বসে আছে। আমার জ্যাম্প ইনস্টল তো করা ছিল না আগে, তাও সবুজ হচ্ছে এটা হচ্ছে না,
হবে না, জ্যাম্পটা আনইনস্টল করতে
না জ্যাম্প থাকা না থাকলেও হচ্ছে।
প্রথমে তোমাকে ওই ভিজুয়াল C++টা ইনস্টল করতে হবে, তারপরে জ্যাম্প মপটা ইনস্টল করতে হবে।
এবার আনইনস্টল
করে দেবো এখন। Okay, so let's configure it. Go to computer. First of all, we need to uninstall the XAMPP. So here we have the XAMPP. So double click on XAMPP. Click yes, remove,
জঙ্গলকে যে ছুঁচো কামড়ে দিয়েছে
সব কারণে ওইখান থেকে পায়ের আঙুলে ব্যান্ডেজ
পায়ের এখানটা না ফুলে গিয়েছিল
ছুঁচো কামড়ে দিয়েছে ছুঁচো কানে লাগলে
কি আমাদের ওই যে প্যান্ডেল ফাটাতে আছে একটা লোকের আঙুলে কামড়ে দিয়েছি কে একবার না বলছি 3-4 বার প্রথমবার বুঝতে পারিনি তারপরে আবার নিয়েছে ফুলে দিয়েছে
চরম তো নেয়
না চলো
ছুঁচোর সাথে রিলেশন আছে
আজকে আসবে তাহলে তুই চল না তুই আগে রাহুল নিয়ে তুই রাহুল ধরে চলে একটা ছোট করে দিয়ে যা
ভালো লাগে বাইরে মা বাবা দাদা খেলা লাগে বলে দেখি একবার খেলা
ছোট করে
জন্মের আসতে শুনে শুরু কি বলে দেবে মা আরে তো নিয়ে আসবে কি খেলা দেখে দিয়েছে
কাকে
সুমনের
কবে
ফেস্টে তুই তো যাস
ও
আমাদের সুমনদেরকে ডেকে মেসেঞ্জার করে
বছরে একবারই গেছে একবারই খেলা দেখছি
সুমনরা দেখে বলে ভাই
না না চমৎকারে দুবার গেছে আমার
ছিল না তো সেটা বেরিয়েছে
হ্যাঁ
এবারে ফেস্টে ছিল আমাদের
দুবারে গেছে প্রথমবারই শুনছি যাই
খুব মজা হয়ে গেল
তাই তোর আছে কাছে কথা কালী মন্দির
ওগুলো করে হবে কাজ না তোমার তো সে বললো একটা কাজ যে কোন
মার্কেটিং
অ্যাড দেওয়া
এই যে
অ্যাড কম্পিউটার বিভিন্ন ওয়েবসাইট যেতে গিয়ে মেল অ্যাড্রেসে গিয়ে অ্যাড চার
ওনা কত ওনা তো অনেক
Okay. Next we need to uninstall worm server. Then click yes. জ্যামটা বড্ড হিউজ আর আনওয়ান্টেড। ওয়ার্মটা অনেক ইজি টু ইউজ। ওয়ার্ম তো
PHP দিয়ে ওয়ার্ম হ্যাঁ সেটা আমাদের সেটা এর বাড়িতে PHP নারায়ণ দেখিয়েছিল তাই নারায়ণ দেখিয়ে দিয়েছিল তাই আমরা
আমাদের স্যামটাও আছে সেই ইন্টারনেট দিয়েছিল না ইনস্টল করা আমি
now we need to install the worm server. So here we need to write worm server. Here it is the worm server 2.5. Before getting install this, you need to install this one. So double click. You need to repair because Bhaktu already installed it. In your case, you need to install first. Okay. This is actually Visual C++ by which worm server is created. Okay. That's why we need to install this. What is the relation between Visual C++ and worm server? The entire PHP software is created on Visual C++. The compiler used for PHP is Visual C++. Okay. So depend on Visual C++. Radmos Radal create the php.exe interpreter. So that is the relation. That's why you need to install this plugin first. Okay. So now when it is installed or repair successful, you need to install the worm server.
না তোমাদের PHP টিউটোরিয়াল আছে যেমন অ্যান্ড্রয়েড টাচ সেম মনে হয়
Who's the
এসএমএসটা করছে না বলো না ডিলিট করে এসএমএসটা করতে হচ্ছে
SMS টা রোববার হবে আর ফাইল ব্রাউজটাও ওদিন হবে।
আচ্ছা তুমি আরেকটা বলেছিলে যে রোববার না সোমবার তো
ও হ্যাঁ সোমবার। Create launch icon, create desktop icon, click next, click install.
সোমবার আছে তো
সোমবার 11টা 11:30 আছে।
একবার
When it is installed, then you will see it will automatically becomes green. Okay, if it is red, that means none of them are installing properly, none of them are working. If it is yellow, that means some of the components are working, some of the components aren't. When it is green, that means it's all fine. So it is somehow related to West Bengal politics, but there is no relation actually. Red means nothing working. Okay, if it is yellow, some of them working, green, everything is fine. Configure the file upload limit and size limit, PHP, WordPress, everything is very easily configurable in Monk. But in XAMPP that is not so comfortable. Everything is recording, so I think all the configuration we will get it from here. Now here you need to click open. Here you need to click yes. Now here is the option that is launch now. Click finish. Click yes. Green is becoming green. Okay. So now what else you need to do? Just open up the browser and type localhost. Either can go by here, otherwise you click here, it will have a localhost option. If you click this one directly, it will automatically make this open. You do not need to write anything. Now here you will have this. If you click this, then see nothing is coming up, because by default it is being off by the configuration. You need to make it on by a small configuration. What? See the configuration. Click here. Now go to W3 directory. W3 directory means www, and go under the worm. Here you will have the index.php. Yes, only to go to www. Here we have index.php. So open. Now this is which I am showing how to configure those links. If you click on the project link, that will automatically open. So you can do that also, which is not available in XAMPP. So right click and edit in Notepad++ or whichever editor you have. Now here you have option suppress localhost true. That means it is suppressing the localhost. That means the moment you are clicking, it is only showing 3009 something. It is not showing the localhost slash. If it shows the localhost slash, then we will get under of that. False. So we need to write this as false. So now save everything all. And here you need to make it refresh. Now here you need to click this. Beautifully done. So WAMP is completely configured, and this is our application. If I click on the choose file option, as you can see, it is only picking the image files as well as the all files. But by default it is filtered to image files. Okay. So from here, if you go to the picture option, if you choose any picture like this, and if you click submit, it will be submitted to the server. Okay. So how do I submit these things to the server? So open up Dreamweaver for once again. Now this is our index.php, as you can see here. Right? These are the codes edited. Now we want to track down on same page. We are not going to take one more page for upload, because that will make you the concept. If you have 20 HTML pages, you need to have 20 PHP pages. That means 40 pages. But PHP can support HTML, so we are doing on the same page. So first of all, press Ctrl+U and go to the code hint option. Here you need to find out jQuery option. Make it turn off or turn on, vice versa. The moment you make this, you close it, and here if you write question mark PHP question mark, now here you need to write dollar. The moment you type dollar, all the code hint will be appear. That is the bugs of using piracy, Adobe Remover. If you don't do that, then if you press dollar, nothing will show. So to show all those code hints, you need to make jQuery on and off both. If it is on, then make it off. If it is off, then make it on. Only this way you can able to pull them back. So here we need to write if bracket is set dollar request. What is the name of the button? Upload. So here we are tracking it. We are tracking it that if user click on the submit button, then the entire form will be submitted to the server. Then server will get the reference of upload by the name of the variable. If it is has the reference of upload, then we should write echo button clicked. That means button is clicked. Move back, see in real time, refresh, choosing a file, submitted, button is clicked. PHP says button is clicked, because the moment you submit, the entire array is submitted to the server, and from that array one of the index name upload, which is we give it as the name of the submit button, which is mandatory, otherwise we cannot track down that submit it is submitted or not. Then server gets the reference of upload. If it is get, then we are saying if is set $request upload, that means if it has any value, then say echo button click. So indirectly we are making sure that the button is being hit by the user or not. Clear? Up to clear? So now here we need to write the entire code of the file upload. Isset is basically a built-in function of PHP which is used to check whether a particular control has a value or not. Isset is any value set or not. Now we need to know the internal details of the $_ files.
jQuery টাকে তুমি ওই এই করে দিলে কেন? ডলার রিকোয়েস্ট
এই যে ডলার এখানে যে ডলার দিচ্ছ তুমি, এই ডলার দিলে এই যে পুরো কোড হিন্টটা দেখাচ্ছে, এটা দেখাবে না নিলে, ওটা একটা বাক্স। এর কোনো যুক্তি নেই কেন করছি, অরিজিনালে করতে হয় না, এখানে করতে হবে। এখন if you are using post method, we need to accept the data by $_ if get $_ get or $request for both of them. But for accepting the file, there is a built-in array in PHP $_ files, and these $_ files have few attributes. The first attribute is the error. If the error built-in attributes is returns greater than 0, that means it's okay. That means it's not okay. That means it's not okay. If it is returning 0, that means it is okay. And second, there is a type variable. What kind of type of a file it's submitting to the server. Third one is the size of it. Fourth one is the name of it. What is the original name? Fifth one is the temporary name. What is the temporary name? And the sixth one is, I think we done. Nothing else. So these are we need to remember. These are the attributes of the $ files automatically assigned. The moment you assign the index of the file, which is here is name is file, then automatically it will track down the error attribute, type, size, name, and TMP name attribute. Why? What is this TMP name? Actually, PHP has a problem with uploading file. PHP cannot directly upload the file to the server. PHP used to make a temporary file and store intermediate step. So that means whenever you are uploading any file, it is going to store as a temporary name. So we need to track down the temporary name, and from the temporary name we need to recover the original file and place on the server location. So that's why TMP name is very much needed. Clear? So here what we are going to do, first of all we are make sure if $files, what is the index? It is, as you can see, it is file. So we will give it as file. If you, and the next thing is error attribute, and here we are checking if it is greater than 0, then we are writing echo error uploading the file. Error uploading the file. If it is not, that means it is returning 0 in that case. Then the entire file upload code will start here. The entire file upload code will start here. Now what we want, now the entire code uploading code will start here if it is not returning the 0 here. Here after, if it is not shows the error, then PHP going to create a myupload directory under your project. Your project is 392050. PHP going to create a folder by the name of myuploads and going to upload all the image under that directory.
What are you doing? TMP name.
This is creating a directory for storing all the uploaded file on the server, creating a separate tree. But the problem is each and every time whenever you click the submit button, it is going to create the mkdir. If it is already exists, still PHP is going to create the mkdir. That time it will have an error because same name directory cannot be created again. So how to fix that problem? How do I fix that problem? To fix that problem is very simple. Here you need to write if not file exits my uploads. If it is not exist, only then PHP will create it, otherwise not. That means PHP will check that is there any directory exist by the name of my uploads. If it is created, then let it be. I am not going to create it, otherwise I will create and copy all the images into it. Now the question, from the temporary file location to the original file location, we need to write a method that is called move uploaded file. This is the built-in function on PHP which is used to upload the temporary file location to the original location. Now here I am specifying where I want to upload. So I give it as path. I need to upload all the images under my myuploads directory. So myuploads slash by the name of $files file by its original name I want to upload. If the image name is abc.jpg, it will be uploaded by the name of the same. So this will be my entire path. Now here we need to write from where I need to regain the original files file, and that would be tmp underscore name, and it will be uploaded to the location called path, and that's it, it's done. So we are saying PHP, okay, you need to upload from the temporary name and you are going to copy that file by the name of its original under the myuploads directory, where myuploads directory will be created if it is not created, and if it is already created, then PHP will copy this image under this by not creating the mkdir once again. So all is cool. Now here we need to write one echo. On the echo we are writing script and slash script, and under this we are going to write alert image successfully uploaded. Now I think we have done with this. So save all. Let's create it. So first of all, go to W3 directory and see under 39/2015 there is only index.php, but nothing else is created. There is no sign of error for my uploads. But when we will execute that code, after that when we go back we will see that. Now choosing a file, guys, have a koala and click submit. Beautifully done. Image successfully uploaded. We click it as OK. Now we move it back to our directory. Now you can see my upload. And if you double click, beautiful. PHP copy the image from the localhost to this. But here is one error. This program is consisting of one big error. The error is, go to choose file. I am making it from image file to all files. That means I am free to choose anything apart from image also. So I go to desktop and I decided to choose a text file. Maybe Baptu has some text file here that will help us.
jQuery folder.
If Baptu doesn't have, then we will. Okay, we have jQuery. This is jQuery 11.3. This is not an image, right? But still we are choosing it and still we are submitting it. You say it is still saying it is successfully uploaded. But the matter of the fact is, server didn't recognize what kind of file we are trying to upload, because it's not the duty of the server, it's the duty of the developer to make sure only image will upload it, right? So now here go to the WAMP and go to the www. What we have now, my uploads. That's a big issue. That means user is free to upload anything. So we need to make sure providing only accept equals to image, that means only provide you the filter, but that doesn't restrict you to upload any other files. How do I restrict? To restrict it, we are deleting. In fact, we are deleting the my uploads entirely. So PHP will create automatically. Doesn't matter. So now to do that code, which is very essential code, here we need to write if $files and there is a built-in thing is called type. If the type is image/jpeg or $files file and type, it is under the case of image/png.
Start the
No. All $files. Exactly. And the type, if it is under the image/gif. I think these three are popularly used thing. If it is under this, only then it will upload the entire thing. Okay.
তো এর একটা এলস পার্ট করতে হবে।
And we have a else part saying the fact else echo have a script saying the fact is alert only image can be uploaded. Only image can be uploaded. And we done. It's a very beautifully done. Okay, actually this else has to be placed. Ctrl X. We need to paste this here because this if was there. So now we need to save, and we done it. So now here we need to check it. So now refresh. Now hacker trying to access your website, he will definitely make sure it is in all files. And we are choosing jQuery, and the moment we are submitting, only image can be uploaded. It's protected now, guys. So last one thing we need to check. Here it is, my uploads is not created because it's not an image. Got my point? Exactly. Now people sometimes ask me that at the time of submit or upload, that image will appear here after upload. So exactly I am going to do that. First of all, make sure the value of the submit looks very odd. We are not submitting uploading.
PHP তে যখনই আমরা ইমেজ আপলোড করব, ফার্স্টে ওখানে ফোল্ডারটা হবে, তারপর ওইখান থেকে এনে সার্ভারে আমার পিকচারটা দেখাবে।
So that means here what we are going to do here actually, here after the entire code I am declaring here an image, making sure there is a source. I am right now is static linking it. Height we give it as 200 pixel, width say give it as 300 pixel, slash and close. Now the thing is this, we are going to put this image, Ctrl X. If the image is successfully uploaded, then it has to be closed here and it will start from here, and under this the image will be there. Now here under this source tag we are going to write $PHP ? We need to change the link, that is $path semicolon.
তুমি ইকোটাকে তো PHP এর বাইরে বার করো।
হ্যাঁ করতেই পারি। এই ব্র্যাকেটের মধ্যে আমার এই HTML-টা চলে আসবে। ও কি করে, আলটিমেটলি ওয়েব সার্ভার ব্রাউজারে যেটা HTML পাঠায়, এই PHP গুলো তো অ্যাকচুয়ালি HTML এ কনভার্ট হয়ে আসছে। আমি তার মধ্যে এটাকে ঢুকিয়ে দিলাম যে ইকো, এটা দেখাবার পর এই HTML-টা প্রিন্ট করবে, যার সোর্স হবে $path ভেরিয়েবল। আর $path ভেরিয়েবলের মধ্যে এসে কি স্টোর হচ্ছে, মাই আপলোড স্ল্যাশ সেই ফাইলের নামটা যেটা আপলোড হচ্ছে, তো সেটা ইমেজ সোর্স যেই পেয়ে যাবে আর আপলোড হয়ে গেলে ওই কনটেক্সট থেকে ইমেজটাকে তুলে এনে দেখিয়ে দেবে না? দেবে তো? সিম্পল। So now go to file, it's very easy to implement. Now click on save all, click here, move back, refresh, choosing a file guys. We are, make sure we are in the pictures, we are going to upload the koala and click upload. You see image successfully uploaded and this is done. This is echo, so I have written something echo unwantedly somewhere.
ওটাই বলছিলাম, ইকোটা তো তোমার
আচ্ছা
পরের লাইনে।
আচ্ছা থ্যাংক ইউ দ্যাটস গুড। আমি ওটা অন্য কনটেক্সটে বলেছি, ওই জন্য ইকোটা আলাদা চলে এসেছে। দ্যাটস গুড। So it's all done. The moment you are uploading the file, it is showing us PHP the uploaded file at the same time. But now there is a thing. Now it has the 2 MB limitation. An image generally are move around between 30 KB, 500 KB to 600 KB or something like that. But I have trying to limit the size. I said that as a manager, as a developer, what you need to do, there will be no such image will be uploaded which is having the length more than 10 KB. Actually 10 KB is very small, but still for this example I am going to show you. So that means first of all let me track down how much KB we have in the pictures.
আচ্ছা দাদা একটা কোশ্চেন আছে, ধরো এই যে ইমেজগুলো যে আপলোড হচ্ছে, ধরো 2 MB হোক 5 MB করে হোক, ওগুলো তো স্পেসগুলো তো মাই ফোল্ডারে যেটা ঢুকছে ওটা তো স্পেসগুলো নিয়ে নিচ্ছে,
স্পেসগুলো
ওইগুলো কি রিফ্রেশ অটোমেটিক হচ্ছে নাকি?
হ্যাঁ রিফ্রেশ অটোমেটিক্যালি হচ্ছে, যখন ওই কোডটা মারছো তখনই রিফ্রেশ হচ্ছে।
না ওখানে অটোমেটিক বসে যাচ্ছে,
মানে ওই ফোল্ডারের মধ্যে
ওই ফোল্ডারের মধ্যে আরেকটা কি পড়লো, ওই যে রিফ্রেশটা কি করে আসছে একটার পর আরেকটা, তাই তো?
অটোমেটিক্যালি চেকিং করে দিলাম আর
ওটা ওই এনকেডিআই একটা মার্জ ওটা PHP সার্ভার, তো ওয়ান সার্ভারটা তো সেই সময় আরেকবার ক্লিক করার সময় রিফ্রেশ হচ্ছে, তাহলে সার্ভার এরিয়া যা যা ফোল্ডার আছে ও অটোমেটিক্যালি ডিপ্লয় করে দিচ্ছে।
ও আচ্ছা
ডিপ্লয় করে দেওয়া মানে
ডিপ্লয় করে দেওয়া মানে রিফ্রেশ করে দেওয়া, ওটাকে রিসেন্ট স্টেটে ফেরত নিয়ে আসা। আচ্ছা এই সাইজগুলো আমাকে একটু বলতে হবে, কত কেবি এটা বলতে হবে, এগুলো কত কেবি দেখো তো? 7559 KB, this is 858 KB, 826, 581, 757, 762, 548. Okay, we are making it minimum 800 KB. So not more than 800 KB we can be upload. So that means this image will be not able to upload it because it is more than 800 KB. So go fast here at the time of uploading it, and here you should write a span max up to 800 KB. So here we are make sure that it will be uploaded maximum 800 KB, but not more than the range of 800 KB, where PHP server has 2 MB, but here we are making sure that it will be maximum 800 KB. So how do I fix that? For that we are going to use a JavaScript, a simple code of JavaScript will do that. Browser ही अटका देगा. So here we need to write script type / JavaScript, and here we are going to write function file size, and here we are writing var file equals to document dot get the element by id, which is file dot files 0 dot size. We are picking up the size from the file. Okay, in case of var file it is also an array for taking down the files in JavaScript, and we are putting the 0 index, that means first file size, and generally it will return in bytes. See, it is returning in bytes or not. So alert, here we are writing file, and where we need to call this file size function at the time of submission. So we are going to call it Ctrl C, and here on the form tag we need to call it on submit, which I have already shown you earlier, right, for validation purpose. So now move here. Now see, it will show us the bytes. Now choosing a file, make sure koala is there, and trying to upload beautifully. You see that 780
bytes
is bytes. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna do is we need to create one thing, that is this alert. That's cool. Here we need to write file equals to file / 124. That means it is in KB now. Now see what it returns. Now refresh, choosing a file, again voila, click on upload. Beautifully done, it is fixed. You see that 762 point. So it's fixed it. So now here it's very simple, it will again upload it, doesn't matter. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we are going to write one thing. If file less than equals to 800, then we are okay with that. We are going to return you true. If it is not, else, then we have some problem. We are showing you alert, image is too large for upload, and there will be a return false option. And this alert file I give it as for example purpose to get it to know, and here we need to write return. That means on submit will return false if it is on this.
আবার যদি ফলস হয় আবার ওই আবার আপলোড করতে হবে,
সাবমিটটা হবেই না। Now save all, click it as. Now choosing a file, this is 548, this one is 759, this one is 606. কি করলাম এইটা desert. So now choosing this and trying to upload, here it is, image is too large for upload and it is not let you to upload it again. So try for your level best, it will not upload. Again, somebody trying to hack into your website, like for example, all files, and go to the desktop and trying to upload this video.exe. They will try, but no matter what, only image can be uploaded. We have did all the protections. Now it is a very good thing. Today's topic was only to upload image, but we know the security, we know the how to track down the type of the image and the file size limitation. And in next tutorial I will show you how to upload video. Video are generally larger than 2 MB, so we need to know how to change the file limitation of PHP and then do all those protections. Okay. So here we are going to stop the video.